Okay. Proceeding further. Uh, Everyone understood for the flight 1 and 3. Yes, everyone understood for the flight 1 and 3. Should we proceed for the flight 2? फ्लाइट 1 और 3 में किसको कुछ डाउट? Okay. So for flight 2 again you can see for flight 2 this is the load for the landing and mid landing, and this is for the flight. So as you can see already we had done the calculation, that is 1.5 plus 0.115. So ऐसे आपको मिलता है 1.615. This is for the mid landing level, and again this is for the mid landing level, and this is for the flight. So this distance is 1.5 for the flight 2, and this is 1.615 and 1.615. Yes, who's this? So again, if for these beam, again you need to draw the SFD and BMD. So as this is symmetrical, these RA and RB will be same over here, and shear force will be also same, that is 34.319, and here also 34.319, as well as bending moment for both from both the sides will be same, only at the center the bending moment will be different. So I hope everyone can do these SFD and BMD calculations. Yes, clear up till here. Then check for shear. For checking the, check for flexure. So for flexure, we need to calculate the maximum bending moment. So maximum bending moment is 47.245. Maximum bending moment comes up to be 47.254 kilonewton meter. Then D will be equals to m upon 0.138 b into d. So square root of this maximum bending moment, that is 47.254, as we have to convert it in mm, you have to multiply it by 10 raised to power 6. So into 10 raised to power 6 upon 138 into this FCK kitna hai? 20, because M20 grade is given to you, and B is 1000. So the value for depth comes up to be 130.85. That is less than the value that you have calculated in the step number 2nd. So your design is safe for the flexure. Same steps you have to repeat as you had done in the last sum. Then calculation of reinforcement. Again for first and third, all the calculations will be same, and for the second flight, the calculations are different. So make one table like this. This table will be more convenient to you rather than doing it again and again. So एक ही table में write down in this left hand side the description, and on right hand side you can put up the values, whatever the calculated values. So bending moment, maximum bending moment for flight 1 and 2 comes up to be 26.94, as you can see over here. The maximum bending moment from both these is 26.94. So that maximum only we are going to consider over here. Same for the flight 2 also. Flight 2 में आपको maximum bending moment कितना मिलता है? इतना 47.254. So that value you are going to consider for the reinforcement. So 47.254. Then again the same steps, that is first of all you need to calculate AST required. So can you tell me the formula to calculate the AST required? Yes, anyone from you? Yes, Omkar, Tanveer. Can you tell me the formula for AST required? Mahfouz, Rida.
मैम 0.45 FCK BD upon FY
Hmm.
into 1 minus square root of 1 minus 4.6 MU upon BD square FCK.
Yes, absolutely correct. That formula only you are going to use over here to calculate the AST required. So after doing the calculations, AST required, you are going to get 388.96 for the flight 1 and 3, and for flight 2, 706.51. Then AST minimum के लिए you are having the formula 0.12% of B into D. So B you are going to take it at 1000 and capital D 25. Then AST required minimum spacing you are going to take it as 12 millimeter 5 bars. So spacing आपको मिलता है 290 for flight 1 and 3, and for flight 2 it is 160.08 mm. Then maximum spacing is 3D or 300 mm. So maximum spacing is same for both the flights. Then reinforcement provided, that is AST provided. So AST provided के लिए again you are going to use 12 millimeter 5 bars. So AST provided के लिए again you are going to get the AST provided as 44411.26 for flight 1 and 3, and for flight 2 it is 753.98. Then percentage minimum, for calculating the percentage minimum, again you are going to use the formula, that is AST provided upon B into D into 100. So AST provided upon B into D into 100. After using that formula आपको percentage minimum percentage मिलता है for flight 1 and 2 as 0.206%, and for flight 2 it is 0.377%. Then proceeding for the calculation of secondary reinforcement. Yes, this calculation of main reinforcement everyone understood. Anyone is having any of the doubts up till here? ये टेबल में किसी को कुछ डाउट है? If you are having any query, you can ask. Yes, everyone clear? Then calculation of secondary reinforcement. Secondary reinforcement के लिए again AST minimum is 0.12% of B into D. So by using that formula, आपको AST minimum मिलता है 270 mm square. Then for spacing you are going to use 8 millimeter diameter bar. So spacing आपको मिलता है 186.17 mm. Again for secondary reinforcement maximum spacing is 5D or 450 mm. So you have to provide 85 at the rate of 175 mm center to center. This is for secondary reinforcement. Then you are going to check for the shear. For shear, you are going to check for flight 1 and 3. So for flight 1 and 3, shear force. Shear force, the value for shear force, maximum shear force comes out to be 34.456 kilo Newton. तो maximum shear force आपको इतना मिलता है. Then tau v, the formula is same U by BD. Tau v you are going to get it as 0.172 megapascal. Then you need to calculate minimum percentage, already you had calculated. Then tau c you will get from the IS code, that is 0.325 megapascal. And K, the value of K from page number 72 of your IS 456 2000. So जब भी आपकी D की value 225 mm रहती है, K you will get it as 1.15 from your IS code. So K into tau C is 0.37. So tau V is less than K into tau C. So the condition is satisfying over here. Tau V is less than K into tau C. So your design is safe for the shear. Then check the last step, that is check for the deflection. These again we are going to see for the flight 1 and 3. Again, these you have to check for the tensile stress, that is Fs. Fs is nothing but the tensile stress, and this formula is given on the page number 38 of your IS code 456 2000. The formula to calculate the tensile stress is 0.58 into Fy up into AST required upon AST provided. So AST required आपको फ्लाइट 1 and 3 के लिए कितना मिला था 706.51 और AST required you had got 753.982. तो उसमें से आपको FS मिलता है 225.54 मेगा पास्कल and percentage minimum already you had calculated earlier, that is 0.377%. So for page number 38, modification factor is 1.4. So as I have told you, for simply supported slab, D will be L effective upon 20 into modification factor. So modification factor आपको मिला है 1.4 and L effective you had got that is 4730. So D is 168.9 mm, that is less than the previous D that you had calculated in the step number 2. So your design is safe for the deflection. Has everyone understood up till here? Any queries? You can ask if you are having any of the queries. Yes, understood? Should I proceed with the detailing? Okay. Okay. Here we need to design for the flight 1, flight 2 and flight 3. So this is for the flight 1. This is your mid landing level. As you can see, this is your main reinforcement, that is 12 phi at the rate of 275 millimeter center to center. And this is your secondary reinforcement, that is of the diameter 8 phi at the rate of 175 center to center. This is your development length. Again, this is your floor level. Main reinforcement you are provided over here, and here also the main reinforcement is being provided. This is for the flight 1. Then for the flight 2, this is your first mid landing level. Again, here you are provided the main reinforcement, that is of the 12 phi at the rate of 150 millimeter center to center. And this is your development length, that is LD. This diagram is for the flight 2. Then for the flight 3, for the flight 3, second mid landing level is there and the main reinforcement is provided for the flight 2, that is 12 phi at the rate of 150 millimeter center to center, and this is your secondary reinforcement, that is 8 phi at the rate of 175 center to center, and this is floor level. So as that they are told you in the question, you have to do the detailing for the 3 flights. So we have done the detailing for the 3 flights, and both main reinforcement and secondary reinforcement is being provided over there. Yes, anyone is having any of the doubts in the staircase? If you are having any doubts in the staircase, you can ask, or in this particular sum, if you are having any queries, you can ask in any of the thing, any detailing or any values, formulas, you can ask. From tomorrow onwards, we are going to start with the next module. So if anyone is having any doubts, you can ask just now.